1. Flirt with her. Show her that you're interested. Make eye contact, smile, and give compliments to show your feelings without coming on too strong or making it seem like a one-sided conversation. Let the banter flow back and forth naturally. 2. Touch her in a confident way. Guys that have a magical charm are confident and easygoing around women. He'll touch her leg and put his arm around her in an easygoing way. He won't be afraid of how she's going to react. He's just a confident, easygoing guy. That helps make a girl want to sleep with you because it makes her feel more relaxed around you. She feels more confident and comfortable touching you back and being more free-flowing in the interaction. 3. Eye contact. Create more sexual tension by holding eye contact a little longer than usual. Give her the sense that you know there's a private understanding between you and her that both of you want to have sex with each other. 4. Be her exciting secret. As I said earlier, spend a lot of time with her and flirt with her, but only when she's alone. Create a secret relationship that no one knows about other than the both of you. By doing this, you'll make the relationship more exciting and thrilling. 5. Make her miss you. Make yourself scarce, and she will miss you. Remind her that there are other options in the dating world, so don't be too available all of the time. This creates a sense of mystery in her, which makes her want you more. 6. Encourage her to talk dirty with you. If you've pulled off your sexual confession without a hitch and she liked what you had to say, she's definitely turned on now. Ask her about an experience from her past. She may hesitate at first, but encourage her just a bit. If she's aroused, she definitely won't mind getting into details. And as she tells her stories, gasp and talk like you're imagining the whole thing. It'll be a huge turn-on for her. 7. Make a move. You've made her want you and crave you sexually. Now, you have to go for it and ask her if she'd be up to meeting you or going out on a date with you the next day. Most likely, if you warm her up correctly, she'll be too aroused to resist.